to
Amalfi Kitchen!
So, in this video, we're gonna cook something different. We're not gonna cook a dinner. What we're gonna cook today?
For those of you who know me, you know that this dish, I'm famous for it. It's the carrot cake. Yeah, it's very popular. I think I've made it almost 60 times in my life.
Okay, so it must be good.
Yeah.
I know it's good. And if you want to know how to do it, how to make it, then
keep watching! So for this cake you will need 4 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, plain flour, and 3 cups of grated carrots. And for the spices and the taste, there is 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, and 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon vanilla powder. For the frosting, you need 1 box of cream cheese, could be 200 grams or less, doesn't matter, and 125 grams of frosting sugar, icing sugar, whatever you call it, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. Yeah, you can take it in the oven.
Is it finished? have to be like that. I don't think there's any sound, but are you happy? Basnin, gimana carrot cake-nya?
Enak.
Dari paksa gitu. Gimana carrot cake-nya?
Ini enak, lembut,
Yes.
manisnya pas,
Iya.
dan krimnya tuh cocok banget.
Ah, siap.
Ini jujur kok nggak bohong. Serius nggak bohong. Geser.
Gesa gimana nih, Mbak? Mbak Gesa?
Enak banget, wortelnya kerasa, manisnya pas, lembab,
Lembab. Nggak kering ya, nggak kering.
nggak kering lembab gitu. Jadi pas untuk mengakhiri makan malam. Itu kata bahasa Indonesia susah.
Benar.
Ya, makasih ya Amali.
Iya. Ntar coba dibikin ya di rumah. Iya, gitu.
Makasih ya Amali.
Makasih ya, Mali.